am with another challenge, but this time it is based on conjunctions. I want to go to the party. I have to finish my homework first. Which out of these options is correct? But next up, he is a good student. He always studies hard. So the correct answer is and. She didn't like the movie. She left early. Answer is so. She didn't like the movie, so she left early. I have to buy some groceries. I can cook dinner tonight. So, I can cook dinner tonight. She loves to travel. She doesn't have money. But she doesn't have money.